This young female is 5 years old enough to be given an important lesson. And this is her teacher, her mother. The lesson is how to crack a nut. Using tools like this is so complex that it has only been mastered by a handful of chimpanzee communities. This is a skill that has been practiced by chimps for several thousand years. Time to try for herself. She needs to find a better tool. Small rocks just don't have the clout. And larger ones are too cumbersome. Wood is both light and strong, but not strong enough. It may take a young chimp up to a decade to perfect the skills it needs for nut cracking. But she's already mastered one thing. When her fingers can't reach the nut inside, she strips down a branch to size and makes herself a spoon. She'll learn to use many tools in her life,